All right, lobby group AfriForum Youth says it will be laying charges against constitutional law professor Pierre de Vos for spreading child pornography. In a post that seemed to have been retweeted by de Vos earlier this month, a young man could be seen sexually assaulted by an adult. René van der Vyver, AfriForum's youth campaign officer, spokesperson, joining us now. Thank you for being with us, Ms. van der Vyver. Have you laid any charges?
Yes, we laid it today.
All right, where?
We did it at Humewood Police Station in Port Elizabeth, and it has already been transferred to the relevant police station in Cape Town.
All right. Pierre de Vos, we did offer him an opportunity to give his side. He didn't take it, but he has tweeted, and I guess this is all about tweets, that his account was hacked. And he said he deleted and changed passwords. You went ahead nonetheless.
Yes, so I am unfortunately not a police investigator, so that won't be for me to determine whether it is true or not, if his account was indeed hacked. I know that a few followers asked him to provide proof of this. Seems that as if Twitter sends you emails, etc., if someone strange is trying to log into your account, he didn't provide any of the evidence as yet. But so we went forward with our plans to go and open the case.
So you don't believe this professor when he says he was hacked?
Well, I'm not a police investigator, as I mentioned, so that is why we lodged the complaint and opened the case so that the police can investigate and can bring clarity on this matter.
He goes further and he says that your case brought by AfriForum is not surprising given the criticism he levelled against the hate speech case against Julius Malema brought by AfriForum. That would suggest it's a tit for tat. Is that the case?
No, so AfriForum has been criticized by the left previously, but it never discouraged us from continuously doing the right thing. So this case with Pierre de Vos is not different in any way. No one is above the law, and child pornography, watching it and distributing it is a serious offense. So we had to report it, and that is why we want it to be investigated. It has nothing to do with a personal attack.
So it doesn't matter who had tweeted child pornography, you would have opened a case. Is that what you're saying? You would have in all circumstances?
Well, if it was especially brought under our attention by our members, as in this case, you see, it is also troubling that he is in a position at the University of Cape Town where he has to be a mentor for young people. And since we are AfriForum Youth, who are concerned with young people's civil rights, etc. That is why we also felt obliged to report this case as in light of him being a prominent figure and also a mentor for young people at the university.
All right, you said you don't want to talk about the strength of the evidence. You're not a police investigator, but were your members able to help collect evidence of that tweet on their phones, for example?
Yes, so we are in possession of a document with all the screenshots that people were able to take. It shows the time that the tweet was made. It even shows that Pierre de Vos's followers were able to comment on the post before it was deleted. So yeah, we have the screenshots, and then also, unfortunately, even though I don't want to expose myself to explicit content, we also could see the description of the video. That is the problem in this case, and also some screenshots from the video. So that is what we have.
All right, thank you. So that charge has been laid today. René van der Vyver, AfriForum Youth Campaign Officer and spokesperson for AfriForum Youth.